Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Are you wondering how to save your favorite YouTube tunes as MP3 files for offline listening? In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to download music directly from YouTube and store it on your device for free. Let's go. Once you're in the main YouTube dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar menu and scroll down until you find YouTube Studio. Here you'll discover an audio library section. This library features a collection of free music and sound effects. To download a track, simply hover over your selection and click the download button. Then choose where you want to save the MP3 file on your device. Note that you can download as many songs as you like, and it is completely free. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.